Hey Teresa, this is where you want to be, which is on the event dashboard. So you go over here to um, manage events, which will take you to the events dashboard, and you scroll down. You see we have had 194 page views. We have 60 tickets sold, which is, free, obviously. And I put in for 800, so we've got obviously 740 left that we can do. But right here where it says general admission and then sold, I guess you could probably click either one of these. But you click that, and that link should come up. And you scroll down, and you're able to do a lot with this. Export it into Excel or a CSV. But this gives you a total of 43 orders and 60 attendees. Some people have put in for more than one person. I know one of these ladies have put in for 10 people, but at any rate, this is how you do that, and hope that helps so that you can go back and forth. Once again, you go to manage and not tickets, but manage events, and then you'll come to the page here that is the dashboard and well, hold on, I have to go back there. Okay, to our event dashboard, and then you scroll down to general admission, and then you click there, and you go from there to scrolling down and seeing all these wonderful ladies here. So hopefully that helps. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Thanks.